Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Yves once here again. Today I'm going to show you how I turned my Dudu Osun cake soap into a liquid soap. This comes in very handy and convenient, and it lasts a longer time. It is easier to use and very practical. Without wasting much time, let's get started. So to start, I'm gonna get my Dudu Osun soap and just grate it with a grater. Then I'm gonna bring water to a boil. Depending on how thick or how light you want it, you can increase or decrease the water. Now afterwards, I'm just gonna put the grated soap inside and mix it gently. I would allow it to be on the fire till all the grains have melted. Afterwards, I'm going to put it off and let it cool down. After it has totally cooled down, I will get a pump bottle and transfer my liquid soap inside. So as you can see, it still lathers very well, and it is very easier to use as compared to the cake soap. You can just pump a little bit and a little bit goes a long way. Okay guys, so this is it, and if you love liquid soaps instead of cake soaps, you can give this a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you've not subscribed to this channel, do not forget to hit the subscribe button right now. Share this video, and until next time, I'm gonna see you with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.